If your PC or laptop is connected to Wi-Fi but the internet isn't working and it shows no internet secured, even though other devices connected to the same router are working fine, in this tutorial, I'll show you a few different methods you can try to fix this issue on Windows 11 or Windows 10. So let's get started. Go to the search bar on the taskbar and open the Run dialog box. In the Run window, type ncpa.cpl and press Enter. This will open the Network Connections window. Here, find your Wi-Fi adapter, right-click on it, and select Disable. After a few seconds, right-click on it again and choose Enable. Sometimes simply disabling and enabling the adapter can fix the problem. After doing this, check if your internet connection is working. If the issue is still there, right-click on the Wi-Fi adapter again and select Properties. Then double-click on Internet Protocol version 4, IPv4. In this window, make sure Obtain an IP address automatically is selected. Also select Obtain DNS server address automatically. After that, click OK and then click OK again. These options allow your router to automatically assign the correct IP address and DNS settings, which helps avoid network conflicts. If your settings are already set to automatic and the problem still isn't fixed, then move on to the next method. Click on the Windows Start button and open Settings. From there, go to Network and Internet, then select VPN. Check if there is any VPN configured on your system. If you see one, click the arrow next to it and remove VPN service, then confirm to delete the VPN. After that, go back to Network and Internet and open Proxy. Make sure the option Automatically Detect Settings is turned on. If it's turned off, go ahead and enable it. Now close the settings window. Next, go to the search bar and type Services, then open the Services window. In the list of services, find WLAN AutoConfig. An easy way to locate it is by pressing the W key a few times until it jumps to the services starting with W. Once you find WLAN AutoConfig, double-click on it. In the startup type, make sure it's set to automatic. If the service is already running, stop it first and then start it again. After that, click Apply to save the changes. Sometimes restarting the service can fix the issue. If the problem still isn't resolved, the next step is to reinstall the Wi-Fi driver. To do that, right-click on the Windows Start button and select Device Manager. When the Device Manager window opens, expand Network Adapters. Then find your wireless adapter, right-click on it and select Uninstall Device. A confirmation window will appear. Click Uninstall to proceed. After the driver is removed, go to the Action tab at the top and click Scan for hardware changes. Windows will automatically detect the device and reinstall the driver again. Once the driver is installed, your wireless adapter should appear back in the list. Now restart your system. After restarting, connect your computer to the router again and check if the issue is fixed. If this method still doesn't solve the problem, the next step is to run a few network reset commands. Open Command Prompt as administrator and type the following commands one by one. First type netsh, winsock, reset and press Enter. You'll see a message saying you must restart the computer to complete the reset, but will restart later after running the other commands. Next type netsh, int, IP reset and press Enter. Then type ipconfig/release and press Enter. After that, type ipconfig/renew and press Enter. Finally, flush the DNS cache by typing ipconfig/flush DNS and press Enter. Once you've run all the commands, close the command prompt window and restart your computer. Alright, after restarting your computer, check if the no internet secured error is fixed. If the problem is still not solved, then final step is to reset the network settings. Click on the Windows Start button and open Settings. Then go to Network and Internet and select Advanced Network Settings. Under More Settings, click on Network Reset. Now click on the Reset Now button. A confirmation window will appear asking if you want to reset your network settings. Click Yes. Your system will automatically restart in about 5 minutes. After the restart, go back to the Wi-Fi settings, reconnect to your router, and check if the issue is resolved. I hope one of these methods helps fix the problem. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.